Hey LEGO fans, thanks for tuning in. First of all, I want to thank all of you for subscribing to the channel. We recently passed 500 subs, so appreciate all of you for doing that. If you're not subscribed, please do. We've got live shows every Wednesday. We've got a lot of great content in the future. Today, I'll be building the LEGO Minecraft creeper set. This is a buildable figure. I've got a speed build for you with some great music. And then at the end, I've got a set review or set analysis for you. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate you being here. All right, let's take a look at this set. This set is Lego Minecraft The Creeper, set number 21276. This set launched earlier this year in June of 2025. The RRP in the US is $40 or $39.99. Piece count is 665 for a price per piece of 6 cents. Looking at the average part out value, it is just around $40, so not a lot of movement in terms of value at this point, but still it's a new set, only 4 months on the market. In terms of the build itself, this is really beautiful. I feel like the greens come out really well, the grays and the blacks. Lego did a great job with this design. They used tiles and different building techniques to bring the creeper to life for the Minecraft fan. This is a 10 plus set, so the instructions are a little challenging, even for myself. I think I messed up once or twice, as you've probably seen in the video. The legs are posable, right? So they can go up and down, they can kind of move, the head swivels, which is nice. Inside of the head there is the pig and the TNT box, which is a cool play feature. But in terms of playability, I can't really see this set as a play set. Again, 10 plus, so maybe not so much. More of a display piece. As you move this set, as you move the creeper, the legs are not as sturdy as I'd like them to be, and the head kind of falls over. I'll move it a little bit just to give you a glimpse of what it looks like, but you see the head tilting over, you see the legs kind of falling a bit. But in terms of if you just want to display this piece or display this set, it looks great on the shelf. I'm going to put it up with the kids' other Minecraft toys, which I think is going to look great together. I may even mod the set a little bit just to see if I can get the legs to stand up a little bit better. But overall, a beautiful set, a well-designed set by Lego. I think every Minecraft lover should own this set. Let me know if you're going to add it to your collection. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Ken goes live every Wednesday with a new member of the community, of the Lego community, and talks with them. We'd love to see you there. Thanks, y'all.